What up mga solid subscribers, no? Okay guys, papanorin po natin mga updates po sa ating mahaliman, no? So very big shout po SB Edis guys, no? Yan, no? Let's go. Point to pets merch guys, available na po sila. Joke lang. Wala lang. Ano to, ako plus lang to guys, nilagyan ko lang ng point to pets guys. Grabe, no? Proud to be point to pets merch. Pero, di ba? Let's claim it, bro. Baka pwede naman yun, no? Okay guys, ito, panoorin natin yung mga updates po sa ating mahalim. Marami ito guys, as in sobrang dami, no? So, isa-isahin natin itong mga video na updates niya, no? Okay? And then, i-tackle natin, no? So, okay guys, without further ado, let's all watch this. Okay, let's go.
SB Edits. Fresh, new, and major updates about SB19. Before anything else, please make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell button for more SB19 updates.
18. We are back again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and it is not only Philip and Pablo who were nominated on Query, as SB19's Moonlight entered the final 7 for Query's Best International Collaboration of the Year 2024 nominees.
Grabe naman, international na naman. Grabe po ang ating mahalima, no? Sunod-sunod as in, alam mo yun, yung parang nakapila na po yung mga international awards sa kanila, no? Parang ganun po yung moment, di ba? Ang dami, tenyo guys, yung mga kasabay nila guys. O, tenyo, wait lang. Eto guys, o, tenyo. excuse me. Ito Ben, hindi mo wala ubo ko, nakabad trip. Ito tingnan nyo may guys. Apat. So, ba hindi ka nakapanood guys, no? Ginawa ko yan ng dance choreography nyo. Check nyo lang sa YouTube shorts ko guys, no? May kita nyo doon, ginawa ko siya ng dance choreography guys, yung apat sana. Let's go! And then, pero ito guys, tayo nyo naman yung lineup nila guys, no? Apat sa palang guys, ito palang napaka-solid na, no? And then, Moonlight guys, nandito po ang ating mahalima. Grabe, no? Alam mo yun, maka-line up mo lang po itong mga, ito, such an honor na po. Apat sa palang guys. Rose and, syempre, Bruno Mars, no? Si Bruno Mars, pa, hindi nyo alam, no? Sobrang idol ni Stell talaga yan, no? Kasi sa mga, actually, hindi lang siya, lahat sila, no? Pero, mas lagi ko lang napapakinggan na kung sino ang dream collaboration nyo, laging sinasabi ni Stell, is si Bruno Mars po talaga. So, syempre, half Filipino si Bruno Mars, kaya, ano mo yun, fit na fit po talaga.
So make sure to vote once the final voting will open this coming December 4. While 18, we are reminding everyone to continue voting for SB19 on Mix Music Awards, as Mix Global released an announcement that the voting will be extended up until November 15. So please continue casting your votes
guys,
in 7 categories.
Guys, kung gusto niya pong manalo ang SB19, no? Kung gusto nating, syempre, dominate nila yun, no? Hanggang bukas na. Pati nyo itong video, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko i-release itong video doon. Pero I'm pretty sure guys, November 14 ko ito i-release guys, as in. And bukas na po yun. Yung hanggang bukas na lang po guys. Kaya tuloy-tuloy lang sa pagboto, no? Kung talagang deserve naman talaga nating mahalima, is talagang ibibigay po talaga sa kanila yan. So, very big shoutout syempre sa ating mahalima, no? Kayang-kaya nila yan syempre. Ilang beses sila nag-dominate po sa mga international awards, no? Syempre, kayang-kaya din po nila makapag-dominate sa mga ganyan. Okay guys, team pa tayo ibang updates, no?
Again to give you the latest updates about SB19, and we got another amazing update to give you 18, as Film Development Council of the Philippines, or FDCP, revealed days ago the lineup for the inaugural Documentado Film Fest, and SB19's Pagtatag the documentary is on the list. So 18, for those who haven't had the chance to watch Pagtatag the documentary, this is for you. The films on the lineup will be available for showing this coming November 22 to December 7 on FDCP's streaming platform OneFlex and all cinematic centers in Manila, Iloilo, Davao, Nabunturan, and Negros. Congratulations SB19X18, and thank you so much FDCP for including Pagtatag the documentary in your lineup. 18. Make sure to be updated for the updates regarding this film festival by following FDCP on their social media accounts. We will also attach their Facebook page link in the pinned comment of this video.
Alam niyo yung feeling guys na ang hangad lang naman talaga nila sa pagtatag documentary na nila is talagang malahad lang po yung story nila. Syempre mga behind the scenes guys, and then yung kwento, yung para makapag-inspire ng tao. No? Pero alam mo yun, hindi na na-expect guys na mapabilang po sila sa ganito. As in, napaka-solid po, no? Okay guys, tingnan nga may gito guys, no? Okay guys, ito nag-switch lang ako ng view guys, no? So, ito po yung sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Okay, kung makita nyo, ayan po, yung baka alamin natin kung ano bang meron dito and bakit ba napabilang po dito ang pagtatag po guys, no? Pagtatag na documentary guys, no? Okay? Okay, November 22 to December 7, may kita nyo naman sa video, okay? Ayan na, Manila, Philippines, Philippines Documentado. It's inaugural documentary film festival running from November 22 to December 7. The festival will feature screenings across FDCP's cinematic centers in Manila, Iloilo, Davao, Nabunturan, sorry, and Negros as well as One Flix. Okay, documentado screen. Ito na yata yung pinaka-meaning, no? Documentado screenings will showcase a curated selection of short and full-length documentary films from both established and emerging filmmakers, no? So curated meaning ano siya? Parang ano siya guys, yung parang knowledgeable siya, no? Yung tipong may mapulot ka talaga na ano, hindi siya basta documentary na for fun lang or what, no? Kapag may mapulot ka po talaga doon na lessons or what talagang pinag-isipan. Hindi ko alam yung pinaka-term eh. Basta ganun po siya guys, na yung curated guys. So, kumbaga knowledgeable siya dapat, no? Na pinag-isipan talaga as in, so yung kumbaga yung art as in talagang sobrang tindi ka talaga guys, na. Okay? The lineup includes a range of local programming and shorts offering audiences a comprehensive view of documentary and storytelling. No? So, I think kaya nila napabilang ang pagtatag dito dahil sa storytelling guys. No? As in, napakaganda ng pagkakahimay-himay, napakaganda yung layunin, like na ihatid agad nila guys yung yung pinaka-meaning, no, na wala na kung ano-ano pa, no. And then nakapag-inspire ng mga tao talaga guys. Kailangan kasi hindi ko alam kung tama yung term. Kumbaga parang sa documentary, kailangan pumasok sa mundo na yung audience kailangan pumasok sa mundo ng mga nasa movie na yun or documentary, no. Parang kailangan ihalin tulad mo. Kung ako ba nasa lugar na yun, kakayanin ko. Ay, parang ganun, or pwede palang ganito, no. Sige, subukan ko yung ginawa niyo. May kailangan ganun. Kumbaga makapag-influence po kayo ng mga tao, no. Okay? Aside from screenings, the festival will host a number of panel discussions and talkback sessions to provide audiences with a deeper understanding of the art and impact of documentaries, no. So, and guys, okay siya, no? Sino dyan mga nakapag-thesis, no? I'm sure yung iba dyan nakapag-thesis na, di ba? Alam niyo yung parang nagde-defend ka, like, ng program nyo or kung ano man ng project nyo. Tapos, syempre, discussion siya. Hindi ko lang alam, guys, kung itong sa talkback discussions or what, no? Andito bang ating mahalima, no? Or yung creator netong nang gumawa ng pagtatag, guys, no? Yung director or yung gumawa ng documentary or what, nakapaloob doon, no? So, okay yan guys, no? Para marami tayong malaman na mga bagay na hindi natin nalaman kung paano ito ginawa, kung ba't ganito yung ginawa nila, and talagang paano siya naka-affect po talaga sa mga tao, no? Okay din to guys, para malaman natin yung mga, I'm sure kasi yung iba dyan may katanungan na gustong masagot talaga as in, no? So, I think okay yung ganitong ginawa na, no? With Documentado, the FDCP aims to spotlight the documentary film genre as a dynamic medium for raising awareness, inspiring social change and encouraging diverse perspectives, no. Okay? Inspiring social change, guys, no. Doon pa lang guys alam niyo naman yung pagtatag guys, nakaka-inspire siya, at the same time nakaka-motivate siya, raising awareness. Syempre andun nakapaloob guys yung mga pag ginawa mo to, anong mangyayari, pag sumugal ka ba, anong mangyayari, and encouraging diverse perspective, no. Syempre alam natin iba-iba naman yung perspective ng mga tao, iba-iba po yung paniwala, lahat, pero may kita po tayo doon na pag ganito yung ginawa mo is pwede pala, no. So alam niyo na sa pagtatag, nakapaloob doon yung kung ano-ano pwede nating makita, no. So sobrang swak po talaga yung pagtatag na documentary dito. Hindi ko lang alam guys kung paano siya na handpicked or what, paano sila nakapasok, sila ba mismo yung nagpasok doon or na talagang kinuha po talaga sila. Kasi marami talagang documentary guys as in, no? Pero nakakatuwa lang guys na syempre ang napabilang dito is yung pagtatag guys po talaga as in, no? So ayun po. Grabe, napakaganda po nitong balitan to, no? Talagang pinapakita lang na mapamusika man, mapasayaw, pati ba naman sa filmmaking documentary guys, pasok pa rin ang ating mahalima, no? Ang galing, napakagaling lang, di ba? Kung paano nila napagkakasya yung oras nila, yung kanilang knowledge pagdating sa mga ganung bagay, no? Talagang kayang-kaya po talaga nila kahit ano, no? So, I think this an indication na pumasok na kayo sa paggawa ng movie SB19, no? Pwede, di ba? Pwede naman talaga yun. Okay guys, Maraming salamat, no? Kindly leave a like, subscribe, and kindly ring the notification bell para alam nyo po bago kayo nag-release ng bagong video. So maraming salamat. So, this is Point of Signing out. Peace! Let's see.